So, where are we at? Well, I broke down and spent $4 and got some universal fuel lines that we're going to try to stuff in here and get it set up. I've also just realized there's no air filter. So we'll have to figure that out. I did see a kit that had air filter, gas filter, spark plug, all that stuff for $9. I don't want to invest any money into this until I know it can run. Right now I'm in it for about $10 between the fuel, a can of fuel, and these fuel lines. Let's see if we can get it working before we decide to spend any real money on this. So the next step is stuffing some fuel lines and route it up. Okay, I'm just going to take an Allen wrench and use that to poke out the little bits of, there's one, fuel hose that's still there. It's one. And this one's a little smaller. So there's two. Hey, if I don't need this other kit, I'm going to take it back. Okay, so and how does the small one want to fit? It just drops in. So it's the large one that has to go in there. Let me cut a little angle on this bad boy and force it in. I'll be back. Okay, I've got some new fuel lines on. I've remounted the base plate solidly, and I've used Loctite on the two threaded bolts that hold it in place. So I guess the next step would be to hook up some of these fuel lines and slip the carburetor in. And then try to get all the other stuff in around it. At least that's what I'm hoping. Okay, so carburetor goes on like this. So I got one fuel line that goes here. I've kind of rerouted them like some guy did on the internet with his generator, so that you don't have fuel lines going all over the place. He swapped his supply in return. And I don't know, I might have done the same thing just now. There we go. She's a tight one. So let's loosen her up a little with some Allen wrench action. That should be enough to start that son bitch. Ooh, maybe. I'm really working this one. It just does not like that last fraction of an inch. I'll tell you what she's on now, though, I believe. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. How did I do this the last time? I had to hook this up before I got it in. That goes below. Bit of a wiggle. If these bolts were solid, you'd never get them in. Hold on, I gotta figure this out a minute. Well, the moment of truth. I've poured in some fuel and let's give it a try. It's in the on position. Find out if that primer thing works at all. Okay. Flip the choke. Sounds like it was trying there for a second. Nope. Doesn't want to start. So now we got to figure out what's going on.